Okay, hello guys, happy weekend, and this is my prediction and analysis for November, okay? Okay, let's start. First of all, we need to open monthly, okay? Okay, if we see monthly, we can predict too much, okay? Because no more less resistance at left. So, okay, we move to weekly. Okay, if you can see on weekly candle already closed in rejection, guys. Already closed in rejection candle. Because this is first of the month. Okay, we move to daily. Okay, let me explain about daily. We start at daily, okay? On Friday, NFP gold just gave us only for NFP only how many pips? Around 300 pips on Friday, okay? For sell. Okay, we move to daily again. Sorry, okay? At daily, on Thursday, daily already made in engulf sell. So that means on Friday, gold falling. Okay, because of this is engulf sell. So the next candle, which is this candle, must be sell. Okay, now the roadblock is this is support on daily. This is support on daily. Area 2717, 2715 something. Okay, in this blue zone. Okay. So next we move to H4. Okay, H4. Let me explain about H4. Okay, H4 candle also close in engulf sell. So that means this is reversal for sell. Okay, because H4 also close in engulf sell. So that means the next candle my target is sell. So first, we mark the trend line, which is here. We mark the trend line, and if we can see, trend line already made a breakout candle. So possible gold we continue falling. Okay, because this is my target for reversal candle for November. And okay, this is last support on H4 or daily, which is here 2717, 2715 area, this blue zone. This is very last support. Okay, in case gold can break this support, automatic break out this support, and gold will keep falling until here, guys, until 2690. Why I put 2690? Because of gold start falling, the price is 2790. Okay, so my target gold will falling 1000 pip from here. And then, but my target is still direction for fully buy. But for November, we need to find sell first, okay? Before we continue buy. Okay, this is my zone sell on Monday because there's a lot of confirmation of sell. But if we sell from here, need to wait this level, okay? Breakout or not? If not breakout, respect, we just keep fine, buy. In case breakout, go with continue falling, guys. So this is my zone for sell and buy. Okay, this is my first zone area, this one, which is at breakout trend line. If you mark the trend line and you know which the point of breakout. So this is my first zone. The target is touch the trend line and falling. Okay, the second zone is area 2755. Okay, guys, area this engulfing H4. Okay, this is my second zone, area 2755. You can mark the engulfing. And okay, only two zone for sell. Why I say only two zone for sell? Because of in case gold fly from here, sorry. In case gold fly touch the zone, but gold make a breakout. This engulf sell. So easy, we change to the buy again at this engulf sell. That's what we call engulf fail, because engulf sell already made a breakout here, and we call the engulf fail, and we buy at the engulf sell. So simple, wait for breakout, and I only have two zone for sell. Okay, in case break, we just keep buying, buy, and the next stop block is here, area 2780, 2778. Okay, this level. Okay, guys. Sorry, I put the horizontal line for easy. Area 2777, 2782. Okay. So, in case in this Monday gold falling from here and break here, we just keep fine set until here first. 2690. If 2690 not break, this is fully swing for buy. Okay, buy. Because of, you can see, okay, what is zone 2690? We move to H1. And we can see what is here. You can see what is this on this blue zone. We also have a strong engulf buy, bro. This is very strong on engulf buy. But price still didn't touch the engulf, okay? Price still didn't touch the engulf. So that's why my target possible gold touch this level, because price still not touch, okay? So this is clear, still not touch. This is engulfing or engulf buy on H1, and one more zone 2670, guys. What is the zone which is 2670? 2670 here. Okay, this is daily breakout, guys. Daily resistance becomes support, which is, this is resistance, and gold already make a break resistance, which is here the breakout candle, which is B. And if gold coming here, we can try buy at this level, okay? Because price still clear and price still didn't touch the breakout, okay? So if price coming, we can buy. Because of this is daily breakout, bro. Daily breakout is mean that target is 200, 300 pips because of daily setup, okay? So for tomorrow, we just wait, focus on two zone. This is my zone also. You can do 2753 and 2759, and which is here for the trend line breakout. You can mark for another zone, okay? Mark. Sorry, wait. Okay, you can mark this support, which is, this is support H4, guys. This is support, okay? This is support H4. Support and H4 already break up the support. So, possible gold flying first and touch this trend line and boom, falling. But remember, just remember, put the trend line, and in case gold break this resistance, which is H4 engulfing here, the key level is from here, okay? The key level here. Break out this one, we change to the buy until here, okay? So mark the key level, mark the trend line, simple. So we just wait for tomorrow, okay? Because this is beginning of November, okay? So we can predict March, because NFP gold just give us 300 pips, and from the higher price, gold already made a falling 500 pips, okay? So you can mark, okay, the zone, this is blue zone, which is zone buy, and red zone is zone sell, okay? You can mark and you can try screenshot 2740. You can screenshot, okay? This is my zone buy and zone sell. Red color is zone sell, blue color is zone buy, okay? Wait for breakout, wait for any structure, and we entry. No confirmation, no need to entry, okay, guys? Okay, that's all. I hope this is useful for everyone, and get ready for our November. Get ready for our new game using MT5, and get ready.